Okay, this is a Sunday in Taipa, and we have the ecological garden, and right here we're going to walk down the street. I'll explain it more. And right now there's actually a kind of a Lusophone festival. You can see these blue houses over here. These are the museum houses, Taipa museum houses. DJ, and then the stage. So we're going to walk down the street and show you what it looks like on a Sunday afternoon. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. So in the evening, this will be filled with people. They'll even dance up on the stage as well. We're just gonna walk around and just kind of show you some of the stuff. Get the museum houses. So there's a whole row of museum houses all the way down. So those are used to overlook the ocean. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this would have been all ocean, and then they reclaimed it, and they have the Cotai Strip, which is all inland. Now it's all inland, but it used to be in the ocean. It used to be between two islands, this island being Taipa, and these are called the Taipa houses, and the other one being the cooler one. So these are the dates. It's actually for 2 weekends. So it started Friday and Saturday, and there's a lot of people on the weekends. The daytime, a little bit as well, but much more at nighttime. But it's easier to film in the daytime, so I can capture it better. Different stages. We got Goa, East Timor, here you can get some Portuguese food. So this is actually once a year. So these have some of the prices, different foods, and there's actually 2 places you can get foods. So you can get it up on the hill as well as in there. East Timor. The museum houses, they are where the administration used to live. So they had these beautiful houses that would overlook the water. Got Cape Verde. Let's kind of peek in a little bit. Let's see. So you got some traditional stuff in there as well. Okay, we're gonna keep on strolling down. Let's go up this way as well. We're gonna go up to this. I'm gonna just peek into the museum houses real quick. So this gives us a nice view. And then if you can imagine, at one time, these type of museum houses. They used to be administrators that could overlook the ocean. So let's take a look inside real quick. So now it's the bookstore. Okay. Kotai's strip in the background. So we're gonna go buy more tents. Got a Macau one that represents the Portuguese community as well. Angola. Got some more over here as well. So these are little, let's just walk in that real quick. So they'll have things that you can also buy here, like a little bit of a marketplace. Angola, Portugal. More of the museum houses as well. Let me just kind of walk over to the waterfront real quick. Guinea-Bissau. So let's head on over this way. There's a so just kind of catch all that. Okay. Got a Guinea-Bissau tent as well. And we also have Mozambique. So, and then the end, let's go up here real quick as well. Bossa Nova, Mozambique. Let's see. We got all the way down, so they're basically all the Portuguese representation of all the different Portuguese-speaking countries. Goa, Cape Verde, Brazil. We're gonna keep on going all the way through. Then we also have, they'll have the stage right here as well. So let's just kind of go all the way down. Then there's a park all the way down, and let's kind of move into this. So they'll have different exhibitions here, and then you can see some of the casinos. There's Venetian and some other ones as well. So, okay. We are gonna walk up. See what we can see. But kind of cool. Casa de Taipa right there. So we're gonna walk up. There's also all these little areas where you can. So let's go up this way. So we're gonna get a nice view from up there. We might even get some views from up here. So yeah, this is the daytime one. Nighttime it'll be it's kind of hot in the daytime. So later it'll be let's see what's up. We're gonna go up to the top here. Then there's more events up here as well. Let's see. Then we'll go up, maybe we'll just kind of walk up here real quick. So the event might be closing a little bit. Okay. So this is kind of overlook the waterfront there. So we'll probably label this, it's during the Lusophonia, but you don't really get the full effect of it, but you do get to see what it's like in the daytime when it's when all the booths are set up and the colonial houses and the kind of the background behind it. There's more up here as well. So you can see this incline all the way up there. So if we were to go up that way, you get this amazing view. And over that way is the Taipa Centro. And this overlooks. So we'll probably label this, maybe we'll label it the name of the street down there. Then we'll just kind of say that it's during Lusophonia, because it's more about the street really, in this particular video. Okay. So there we go, slice of Macau there.